Welcome back to the Karate Kid 002. Today we're going to be doing a kind of semi-camera review. I'm just going to be telling you what I think about the Sony A7RII. Now, take it, this is only my second camera from Sony. Shot on their Sony A5100 for a while. Done live streaming with it. Done some photography and stuff with it, but then we went ahead and decided to upgrade to the Sony A7RII. So far, I like it. Does 4K, does 1080, 120 frames. To get some nice slow-mo shots and stuff. I mostly shoot in 1080 anyway, but the only lens we use for it right now is the Sony 1.8 50mm. But this is the camera. Yeah, but I'm definitely going to show y'all some pictures on the screen that we took with it and how it looks and everything. Yeah. So in fact, we could get some shots now outside. So let's go do that. Alright, now we're outside with the Sony A7RII. We're gonna try and do some photography out here. See how it goes. Now, right now, I'm just gonna put it on aperture priority. We'll be shooting. And the continue autofocus. And I'll put these pictures up on the screen. Where you are. We're shooting at an f 1.8. The ISO was at 125 at 1/60th of a second. And I'll show you what that is on the screen. Yeah, I'm gonna shoot down this trail here. It's the same. Now for now, I only have one hand, and just put it in auto and let it just do what it wants to do. Right now we're going to shoot the dog here. It was just an auto there. Alright, so I'm gonna walk around and get a few more shots, and I'll see y'all back inside. Sorry about the fish tank noise here, but just gonna let y'all know, here's some footage, some shot at 1080, 120 frames per second, some slow-mo, shot on the Sony A7RII. So y'all check this out too. It was shot on the 50mm prime lens, 1.8.